Today I'm going to teach you the side grabs, a male stripper body movement that you can do. Now this is basically, it's like a pop-in movement and a pop-in and lock-in movement. It all comes down to your muscle control and how much you can tense your muscles to make a body pop effect. So it's a lean onto whichever side that you're going to grab. Okay, it's a lean onto that leg. It's a shift of the body weight also onto that leg, and it's a twist of the torso as well. So we've got a lean, okay, we've got a shift of the body weight, and we've got a twist of the torso. And if I do the other side, it's a lean and it's a twist of the torso. Now with our upper body, we're going to lean forward and grab. And as I grab, I tense my muscles very hard and I release. I tense and release. Tense and release. Tense and release. And the other side one more time, tense and release. Now you can do it big or you can do it subtle. But this move, I want to break it down and explain it for you because it's a great move to use in two situations. It's a great transitioning. If you want to see the full video, make sure you click the link in the description below. And for my YouTube audience, for my YouTube viewers, I'm also giving you the opportunity to schedule a free one-on-one video chat with myself. You get to talk to me for 30 minutes and we can talk about anything that's on your mind. So take advantage of it. My time is yours. Click the link below and I look forward to having a chat with you soon.